Look what I just found. I was walking down the aisle in the store and was looking for some Thomas and Friends, and I found a new box. I mean, this was the only box in the store at the moment. I know a lot of people already made reviews, but I just decided to get them and make my own reviews. I'm not really good at this, but you know, I will start collecting my own line. I'm not gonna talk on the videos, but you will see the toys in action. And this was the only box available at the store at the moment. When I was working today. So we got the 75 years golden Thomas, and we got Thomas and incredible. We have Kenji and Duchess. So I bought the whole box, so let me see, that's 9 trains. So that's it. I'm gonna start making some videos within the next week, and I hope that you guys like it. Alright, there we go. See you next video. Bye.